This is Project Skywood, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 finished to our client's exact specification. Skywood is painted in full gloss olive yellow with silver accents. Skywood sits on 18-inch sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper, fold-down side steps with wooden inserts, and a roof painted in rice grain. Inside, Skywood features an Exmore Evander steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats. The load area features a mix, 1 bench and 2 inward-facing jump seats. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Spinneybeck Amalfi leather stitched together in sumac. This 110 is powered by our GM 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Skywood also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen head unit with JL audio speakers, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to charging points throughout.